Welcome back to another video, guys. Out here about to take the cover off, camping weekend. The boat we took yesterday, we're getting the wake tower installed. It should be done by the end of today, so we're gonna go camping tonight, pick up the boat tomorrow, hopefully be on the water by tomorrow afternoon. Super excited for that. Cover has been on for over a week. It is doing awesome, absolutely no complaints. We've had rain, we've had wind, we've had a crap ton of heat, and it's doing awesome. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's keeping everything protected and everything dry. So if you didn't see the video on the cover, I'll link it up here in the top somewhere. Adco, Covercraft, Carver Industries for all of your vehicle and toy protection needs. So we're gonna get the cover off. Like I said, we're gonna get the truck hooked up. We're gonna do some shopping and take you along for the journey. Hopefully we'll be on the water wakeboarding by the next clip. Alrighty guys, we are here. We made it, going down this huge hill down to the marina to check out the new boat. I hope it's done. It should have been done by now or pretty soon here. So super excited to see it. Can't wait to show you guys. Headed back to the other lake that we're staying at and get this on the water. Super excited. So hopefully the next couple clips will be out on the water. We are out here finally on the water. It is bright and early. It's a Friday. It's like 8:30 in the morning. It is dead quiet, dead calm. It's gonna be great. I'm about to hop on the wakeboard. I forgot my chest mount. I forgot all my straps, so I'm not sure what kind of footage I'm gonna get, but we have the new monster tower installed and we love it. This is the second day. We've already wakeboarded on it. It does have a light on top, so you actually feel like a real boat. It lowers down for garage storage as well, just like your stock AR towers do. So we're gonna hop out here, hopefully get some shots. If I'm lucky, I'm gonna try to do some drone footage while driving and pulling the wife on the wakeboard, but we'll see how that kind of goes. We're gonna get out here, enjoy the water, so enjoy the footage. Alrighty guys, and just like that, everything is packed up, AC's off. We got the trailer hooked up to the truck. We're leaving the lake. We already got the boat home. Now when we get home, I'm going to show you the monster wake tower a little closer in depth, but we are done. It's Friday. It's starting to get busy. Definitely coming on a weekday is a lot better because there's a lot less people. So I'm going to grab my last energy drink out of the fridge. We're going to take this thing home. It's only about an hour drive, get in some AC, get everything cleaned up. And that's going to be a wrap on the weekend. So I'll see you when I get home, talk to you about the wake tower, and check it out a little more. Back home, guys, and it is time to clean this boat and take a better look at the monster wake tower. Now you can see it is just absolutely filthy. We have a lot of cleaning to do. We have the bimini top off of the monster wake tower, and I'll explain that here after a while once we get everything cleaned. It was a mess at the dealer. They knew absolutely nothing about the tower that they installed. So we'll get into that here after a while once we're in the boat. So here's the monster wake tower with the bimini up. It doesn't cover near as good as the stock bimini or your basic bimini that you see on the everyday boat. A wake tower bimini is a lot smaller, but it still does the trick. Now, I told you I was going to tell you about the dealer. We had a lot of issues with the dealer when it came to buying the boat, just in my personal opinion, pure laziness. We picked up the boat, the tower was part of the deal. Take it back and they get this tower installed in 2 days, which is awesome because I wanted it back as quick as possible. It just so happens that we were at the lake. They got it done. I go to pick it up. Obviously, they did not read any of the instructions beforehand because they were pulling off decals that didn't need to be pulled off because of what they've previously had experience with. The bimini was already up when I got there. I told them I wanted to put it down. I had to tow it for about an hour. Now, of course, the guy showing me the tower, showing me how everything works, said that this one did not do that. Monster did not make a tower that could do that. So I trusted in him, and we took all of the screws out of this thing and completely removed the bimini. Now this bimini comes off with 6 different screws, and it's not terrible, but it's not the easiest thing, especially when you get everything unscrewed. There's a lot of bars flying around, and it's just not fun. And on top of that, trying to store it in the boat so it doesn't fly out or in the back seat is just, it didn't make sense. So I reached out to Monster. We talked to them and found out that there is a boot for it. It's designed to be folded up on top of this tower and transported that way. So then we played the dealer, he said, she said, and it was just a mess. But the final end goal is we have everything. We have the boot for it. We have the ability to collapse it, which we're gonna show you here in just a minute. But all in all, I love the tower. I love how it fits. And just like that, guys, we got everything clean. We got the outside, the inside, everything's vacuumed out and wiped out. We have the bimini put up in the way that I think it should be. I read the instructions. I watched a couple of videos, so that should be how it goes. We'll test it out and see. But the next question is will it fit in the barn? It's a big door, it's a big opening, but the floor of the barn comes up a little bit, and I don't know if it'll fit. So we'll try to open the doors here, back it in, and see. I know when we do the concreted floor, it's really not going to fit. Now, just like your stock towers, the Monster Tower does have the ability to lower so it can fit into a garage, it can fit into a barn or whatever. So hopefully it'll fit in here. But other than that, we're going to leave you here and we'll catch you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Fun little weekend out at the lake. See you later.